Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get the BMW M3 Touring NFS Unbound. Start by prioritizing nightly events and high-star races that reward car unlocks and bank points. Focus on drift and speed events that match the M3 Touring's strengths to speed progression. Use rep boosts, complete daily challenges promptly, and accept friend gifts to stack rewards. Stay flexible with loadouts and trade performance points to match event requirements for faster unlocks. Begin by mapping the in-game calendar to spot events offering high-tier prizes or car-specific rewards. Stack a rep boost and enter multi-event nights to multiply gains per session, and tailor your parts to drift or speed events as required. Complete all daily and weekly challenges early in the session to bank tokens and event currency. Trade spare parts or duplicate rewards to fill gaps and reduce grind time toward the BMW M3 Touring Unlock. Tune a candidate car with balanced gearing and mid-range torque to mirror the M3 Touring's strengths and practice the handling profile in free roam. Test tire compounds and suspension settings in similar drift or speed events, adjusting setup between heats. Save high-value upgrades until you confirm the car unlock to avoid unnecessary spending. Use quick test runs to fine-tune setups, and keep a parts backup to swap quickly for different event requirements without losing time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.